Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new M4 Pro Mac Mini. This is a base spec M4 Pro Mac Mini with the upgraded 10 gigabit Ethernet card. So let's check it out. I ordered this thing 10 minutes after it released from Apple's site as soon as I figured out which model I wanted. I've been planning on buying this thing for quite a while now. I heard there was a new one coming this year, so I saved up some money on the side and I was ready to purchase it as soon as it came out. And here it is. It is really mini. This is extremely tiny. The Apple logo is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, and this is also a lot taller than I thought it would be. Unfortunately, I don't think it's going to fit in a 1U rack mount anymore. I know the old one could fit in the 1U space of rack, like a standard network rack, but I don't think this will fit, although we will find out later on. In the box, we've got some additional information, and I believe, no Apple stickers anymore, which is highly unfortunate, although I've really never used them. The box smells very nice, just like I expect for a new Apple product. Let's take a look here at what we got on the Mac. So it's a lot smaller, it's a lot more powerful, and it's somewhat cheaper as well. So we've got the two USB-Cs on the front. I believe those are just USB. Those aren't Thunderbolt or anything special like that. And then on the back, we have our power connection. We have our 10 gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, which I believe does those 8K monitors. Don't quote me on that, but I think it does the higher quality monitors. It's the upgraded one, as well as 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports. So this thing is really sweet. We're gonna go install this in my office actually, but I wanted to unbox it right here because, just for a little change of scenery. We also have the power button on the bottom. Everybody's hating on it, but honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I never shut down my Mac, and if I do, I have bigger problems to deal with anyways. And I do want to mention, currently I do have a M2 Mac Mini. That is my daily driver computer. I have the upgraded 16 gigabytes RAM and the upgraded 512 gigs of storage on it. That thing's been running solid for a couple years now, and I'm excited for the upgrade. I have an M3 Pro MacBook Pro that I also use sometimes, occasionally. I like the desktop form factor, so that's why I got an M4 Pro Mac Mini, but the portability of the M3 Pro MacBook Pro is pretty sweet as well. This will be my new desktop computer. I don't know what I'll do with my old Mac Mini yet. I might keep it around, might sell it, I'm not sure yet, but without further ado, let's get this thing set up and installed. So the Mac is now set up just how I want it to be, and I want to go over a few performance tests that I ran and the results of them. So first of all, let's take a look at Geekbench. I did a Geekbench 6 test on this one. I first want to go over the Macs that I've had in the past. The M2 Mac Mini from 2023 had a 2652 single core score and a 9876 on the multi-core. The M3 Pro MacBook Pro that I had from last November has 2842 on the single core and 13972 on the multi-core. And this Mac has 3624 on the single core score, which is the highest out of any of them, and 19,722 on the multi-core score. So this thing is insanely fast. It is no joke. One other interesting thing I do want to mention, I have a spreadsheet of all the performance tests from all my previous computers. I do think it's interesting how much faster the SSD is on this Mac compared to my other Mac Mini. So this Mac Mini has 4125 megabytes per second on the write speed and 5105 on the read speed. So it is insanely fast, even compared to my MacBook Pro of 3573 and 4692. So this is a considerable upgrade on the SSD performance as well. So this is going to really pay off if you're doing things like video editing, uploading, downloading, transferring files quickly. It does really end up paying off, and that's really cool to see. So if you guys have any questions on the M4 Pro Mac Mini, leave a comment down below. I'm super excited to start daily driving this computer. I'm going to keep my other one around, and that'll probably be in the server room from now on. That'll be my server room computer for any just other random tasks that I have going on. But this will be my primary computer starting now, and I'm super excited to try it out. I'm even going to edit this video on this computer to see how fast it is. I'll leave a note down in the description what I think of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.